Hi guys, welcome to Machines of Futures. Today we're gonna review this. We're gonna review not too recent interview review by L Future Odyssey on L2Azimuth. This is an older version, but it still has a limit order, so I think it's pretty relevant. So let's see what this guy has to say.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a review of the L2Azimuth trading software by Futures Analytica. We'll look at the good, the areas of improvement, and my overall recommendation. If you're considering L2Azimuth, this is the video for you. I've been using L2Azimuth since it was launched, and let's just say I've been on my own little odyssey through futures trading as a
Haven't we been all? Yep, definitely been a journey. A lot of ups and a lot of new updates, and the updates are getting better.
new trader. This software has really enabled me to lower my overall risk and lower my overall workload. Since L2Azimuth launched about a month ago, I have really nothing negative to say about it. I've
Definitely lowered our workload, that's for sure.
been doing consistently well, being in the green almost every day I trade. It's been a solid tool in delivering.
That's pretty good. Look at these numbers. 200. Yeah. I guess the biggest noob in the world could make 200, but I mean, these are consistent. 1300, October 23rd, October 30th, 1400, November 7th, 1200. I'm not surprised he didn't put any more months in November days because November is pretty tricky to trade, anyways. Uh, I guess there won't be any stats for December, but December would have been an interesting month to look at. October is when it came out, so looks like he figured out the settings really fast. Or I don't think we had a template yet, but looks like he figured out pretty fast. Plenty of us posted videos and video live streams about how to optimize your robot, your L2 Azimuth. So make sure to check this out uh, on this channel and other channels. But yeah, I mean, these are pretty good stats so far, and looks like he was improving by the end of the month. Pretty good numbers. Let's continue.
Consistent results overall. The scanner counter spoof in particular has shown a high win rate for me, but I've also used Dexray quite a lot and found that with the right configurations, it's very profitable. But
I also like Trespass. I also like Trespass. I think he uses Trespass now. This probably was his older opinion. Hey, Futures Odyssey, what's up? Good review. Hope you're listening. But yeah, I'm sure his results, well, they did improve once he started using Trespass correctly.
just a note, the trespass scanner isn't something I use in every situation. I even turn it off or on depending on how volatile the market is. But if you're not comfortable using trespass, I don't even recommend using it until you know how to use it properly. So I recommend just using it on sim first to understand.
Exactly. This is the hardest scanner to use, that's for sure. What's funny nowadays, people turn off Dex Array. So I guess to each their own, right? I still use all the scanners. I don't really have too much of an issue anymore. I think they really improved Dexarray. Uh, it used to sell the bottoms and buy the tops. Now I'm noticing it buys the bottoms and sells the tops. So they definitely improved um the features on this.
It. So you can fit it and adjust it to your settings to fit your style. It's worth noting that even with these strong tools, there are times when trading can go sideways. And for me, for instance, on October 17th, 18, 24, and 25, I faced some rough trading days. And no matter what, I mean, there are days where you're gonna have better trading days than others, and
That's why we started using regression mode. Definitely hard on regression mode, showing people more or less how I use it. But let's continue.
that can be for different reasons. I think news events or unexpected market fluctuations on days like these can sometimes disrupt your strategies. For example, things like economic reports, sudden geopolitical news, or market reactions to upcoming Federal Reserve, or even a election that can create volatility spikes. These news-driven movements can lead to choppier trends that may throw off scanners, making even reliable setups less consistent. Let's dive right into the positives because there are definitely some awesome things about
The owner himself said he doesn't trade at news days, so take that as you will.
L2Azimuth. L2Azimuth is a semi-automated trading setup that works well for both new and experienced traders. It's fairly easy to learn, so you can jump in pretty quickly without feeling overwhelmed by complex settings. I was completely new to futures trading, and I picked it up pretty fast. I was able to get consistent results about after a week and a half of consistent trading. One of the standout features of L2Azimuth is how customizable the settings are. The ability to manipulate settings like turning off specific scanners when you don't need them is a great advantage. This gives you more control over your trading and ensures you're only seeing the information that's
The only recent problem is sometimes the market is slowing down. I just put this from trend mode really quickly to regression mode. So I gotta do it one at a time. I remember before it used to be one button, but now you gotta do it separately. So I mean, you can still do it pretty fast. It doesn't take too long to do it, but maybe they'll bring back the one button so you could quickly switch from trend to regression and regression to trend mode.
most relevant to your strategy. Plus, being able to turn off scanners when market conditions aren't favorable helps make the platform even more user friendly. A recent update adding limit orders has been a game changer. This was added based on customer feedback and recommendations and has made a real difference in my trading. Limit orders give more precision and control, which is especially useful for capturing trades at specific price levels. It's clear that Futures Analytica listens to its users and continues to improve based on our recommendations, which is really appreciated. Another thing I love is the community of L2Azimuth users. It's a pretty tight knit group and everyone's willing to help each other out.
We love you too, man. Where have you gone, man? Post a video. Come on. We want we want to see you post a new video.
Whether it be through the YouTube comment section, both on live streams and video posts, feels like an open space for just questions and advice. Connor, the owner of Futures Analytica, even responds to comments live, and he recently opened his chat to everyone, which has been fantastic. Connor also goes live a couple times a week to show trades in real time. This has been really helpful for me wanting to see how L2Azimuth works under actual trading conditions. While I'll touch on this later, having these live sessions is a really valuable tool to learn the ropes and get real-time examples. Now, of course, as with any software, there are a few areas where I think L2Azimuth could improve. Customer support of Futures Analytica has been solid overall, but it definitely could be a little bit faster. A response time within 2 to 3 hours would be.
I agree, but the information they send through email is very helpful. So I say recording this February 28th, 2025. I say they're doing a better job for sure.
Pretty ideal, especially when traders like myself might need quick assistance during these marketing hours.
There seems to be a lot of people that are asking basic questions coming to my live stream. Guys, they got a full video guide, tutorial, everything on the official website, futuresanalytica.com. Go to the members area and then click on one of them, and then you'll go through all of that, and then slowly you'll learn how to use the software, right? Uh, nice little trick is uh, what I like to do: take the template settings and then just increase the sensitivity for like one of the scanners. It could be any one of the scanners. I do it for Trespass. So I do it for Trespass. I increase the sensitivity to 2.2 or 2.
While the YouTube community is great, I'd love to see an official Discord server where users could interact real time. Having a place for instant communication would strengthen the community even more and create a space for people to share tips, insights, and of course, settings. Another limitation is that L2Azimuth doesn't allow you to run it on multiple PCs at the same time. So if you have a setup that needs to be done or used within a few different machines, this could be a little frustrating. While Connor's live streams are available, he only streams about twice a week. I wish he'd go live daily, as this would allow me to follow his trades more consistently and get more hands-on learning opportunities. Lastly, I think L2Azimuth could benefit from more advanced training resources. As you progress and want to dig deeper into the software, I feel a little bit limited by the current guides on their website. I'd love to see a little bit more detailed usage guides or maybe some advanced video tutorials to help users maximize the software's potential. Overall, L2Azimuth is a powerful tool with a great semi-automated features with an awesome supportive community. Despite a little bit of room for improvement like faster support, multi-device functionality, and more frequent live streams, I'd absolutely recommend this product. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the flexibility in the settings, like the ability to turn off specific scanners and use limit orders, makes it a great choice for customizing your trading experience. So should you buy L2Azimuth? I say yes. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their trading setup and learn in a community-driven environment. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please give me a comment, and if you'd like to purchase L2Azimuth, the link will be in.
So let me just put my disclaimer.